Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Devi Trilandari, NIT 200X007 Diplomat Study, Program 3 Transportation Management Class Airport Bravo. In this very moment, I would like to present some materials related to Turkey country. Let's move on to the next point. To sum up, Turkey history. The history of Turkey, understood as the history of the region now forming the territory of the Republic of Turkey, includes the history of both Anatolia, the Asian part of Turkey, and Eastern Thrace, the European part of Turkey. These two previously politically distinct regions come under control of the Roman Empire in the second century BCI, eventually becoming the core of the Roman Byzantine Empire. For time predating the Ottoman destination should also be made between the history of the Turkic peoples and the history of the territories now forming the Republic of Turkey. From the time when part of what is now Turkey were conquered by the Seljuk dynasty, the history of Turkey spans the medieval history of the Seljuk Empire, the medieval to modern history of the Ottoman Empire, and the history of the Republic of Turkey since the 1920. Turkey, the culture of Turkey combines a heavily diverse and heterogeneous set of elements that have been derived from the various cultures of the Eastern Mediterranean, Western Asia, Central Asia, Middle East, White Eastern European, the Caucasian traditional. Many of these traditions were initially brought together by the Ottoman Empire, a multi-ethnic and multi-regional state. During the early years of the Republic of Turkey, the government entered a large amount of resources into fine art, such as painting, sculpture, and architecture. This was done as but a process of modernization and of stretching a cultural identity. Early architecture 1299-1437, Early Ottoman period 1299-1326, with the establishment of the Ottoman Empire, the years 1300-1453 constitute the early of years Ottoman period in architecture, when Ottoman art was in search of new ideas. This period witnessed three types of mosque: tired, single dome, and subline anglet mosques. The mosques, the first important center of Ottoman art, in the first example of an Ottoman single dome mosque. Bursa period. The domed architecturally style evolved from Bursa and Edir. In Bursa was the first Seljuk mosque to be converted into a domed one, and Edirne was the Ottoman capital between when Istanbul became the capital, and it is here we witness the final stage in the architectural development which culminates in the construction of the Great Mosque of Istanbul. During the Classic period, mosque plans changed to include inner and outer contour. The inner contour and the mosque were inseparable. The master architect of the Classic period, Mimar Sinan, was born in 1492 in Kayseri and died in Istanbul in the year 1588. Sinan started a new era in world architecture, creating 334 buildings in various cities. Mimar Sinan's feast in Port World was the complete in one. His second significant work was the Sulaimani for Moscow and the short complex built Sulaim the Sulaim. The neck-borne bulk as from the active element were added create different Archimedes style. Example of Ottoman architecture of the Classic period aside from Turkey can also be seen in the Balkans, Hungary, Egypt, Tunisia, and Algiers, where mosques, birthdays, fountains, and schools were built. Westernization period. During the reign of Ahmad III, 1703-1730, and under the impetus of this Grand Vizier, a period of peace ensued due to the close relations between the Ottoman Empire and French. Ottoman architecture began to be influenced by the Rococo style that were popular in Europe. According to a number of academic examples of the creation of the art from can witness in the hospital and mosque, which is a UNESCO World during the Ottoman era. Various fixtures and were sent on to especially to Paris to examine the contemporary costume and left the decorative architecture. On the other hand, French architect was invited by sister of Sultan Salim III to Istanbul and depicts the Bosphorus sword and waterfront mansions called during no all eyes were turned to the Istanbul, however, in about the time when in consultation on the Ishaq Pasha Palace, one in Eastern Anatolia was going on. Tulip period 1703-1757 began with this period. The upper class and the elite in the Ottoman Empire started to use the open and public as frequently. The traditional introspective manner of the society began to change. Fonts and waterside kitchens soon and become popular. A water canal, other name is Katel Es-Saim, and a picnic area where Istanbul as recreational area, altar and tulip period, and then with the uprising, it became a model attitude. Deposition Muhammad I told it was during this period the Baroque style mosques were starting to become constructed. Baroque period. Circular, wavy and concealing are predominant in the churches of this period. Major examples are the Nur-i Osmani Mosque, Zainab Sultan Mosque, Laili Mosque, Fatih Tom was import architect of the period. Empire period. Nursing Mosque and the Colibrex and the important example of the style developed with the westernization process. Architect from the Belian family were the leading ones of the time. This period was marked by buildings of much neoclassic, Baroque, Rococo, and Empire style, Souk and Dalpet Place, Dalpet Mosque, and Art Mosque. Late Ottoman period. Partner Valid Sultan Mosque, Sheikh Zafir group of building, Health School and Medical Duyun Umimaye building, Istanbul Little Debt Office, Late Post Office building such Merkez Postan, Central Post Office in Istanbul, Sirkeci district, and the Heart apartment in Laili are the imported structure of the period when and style was dominant. Raimondo Thoman Alexander Valuri were the leading architect of the time. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.